Hello, welcome to the Bayou today. Sassycajun here. Today I'm here to open a Christmas gift from LJ the Geek and a prize win from POPHOUSE with Animal. So we will get to the LJ the Geek box first. I'll have his channel linked below. I already know what it is. I don't know what it looks like, but I know what it is. So, his partner went on a trip and got me a t-shirt while he was there. So, got a little pin. Little pen, and I got some stickers, and here is the shirt. Ooh, and I love the color of it too. Milano, Italia. Love it. Man, he picked a great shirt. Love the color. I love the shirt. Thanks, Joe. You picked out a great shirt. And thanks, LJ, for sending it to me. Next, we have a POPHOUSE with Animal did a Christmas live where he said he's been blessed and given so many things he wanted to give back. And so he gave a bunch of stuff away. Killa gave some stuff away. And I think that was it. I can't remember what it is I won from POPHOUSE, but I know Killa is supposed to be sending me something too. So here is the POPHOUSE sticker. Got a few of those, which is good. I always need more than one. That's what it looks like on the inside. Wrapped really well. Sorta. Let's see what pop we got. I couldn't remember for some reason. Ooh, it's a nice one. It is in a pop protector. Imperial Super Commando. That's nice. From Star Wars Rebels. I couldn't remember which one it was that I had won. That is a nice pop. Very nice pop. And it's in a pop protector. So, thank you, POPHOUSE with Animal. I will have his channel linked below as well. Short and sweet and sassy. So, until next time, laissez le bon temps rouler. Bye!